Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Chef Twan, and I'm going to show you how to make the world's best pasta dough in less than 10 minutes. Let's go.
All right, so here's the pasta recipe. I have 8 ounces of flour, 6 egg yolks, 1 whole egg. Pour right in the middle of this well. And then here I have 1 tablespoon of milk and like 1.5 teaspoons of olive oil. Just pour that in there too. And then slowly mash up the yolks. And then just bring the flour in from the edges, just like so. Now this is going to be a really eggy dough. You can use the semolina if you want, or you can use all-purpose, just like I'm doing. And see, it's just all coming together. You just want to make sure that you're working in all your flour, just like so. And then once it starts getting like a shaggy dough, just like this, so it's gonna be sticky on your hands. Just like so. Then we're gonna move on to using our hands. So get some flour on your hands, just a little bit, just like so. And just start kneading. Make sure you get all the flour. You can see like this dough is getting a little sticky and it's a lot softer. It's not so leathery. So we're just gonna knead this and let's get this off our hands. Awesome. So this is pretty sticky, so just add a little bit more flour to it. And just pick this guy up. Here you go. It's starting to come together. Make sure you get all this flour or all this pasta dough. Just like so. Alright. Now we can take this, just a little bit of flour on the surface, and just knead it. So you can see it's a little stuck here. That means the dough is still a little wet. So we'll just, but then you can see that there's still some dry flour on this pasta dough. So just keep working it. Develop the gluten and incorporate all the flour. Even if it's a little sticky, you can add just a little bit of flour at a time. So the thing is, unless you're weighing everything out to the exact gram, you're always going to have a little bit of like variations, because not all eggs are the same size, even though they say, you know, like large or jumbo. Not all eggs are the same size. Not all eggs, you know, contain the exact same amount of liquid, like to the precise measurement. But as you can see, the dough is starting to come together, right? As you can see here, it's soft, right? But because it's ripping, your gluten isn't strong enough to have like a nice chewy dough. So as you can see, the pasta dough is still a little wet. I'm going to add just a touch more flour. Just like so. You want it to the point where it just doesn't stick to your hands. You see? Just like that. As you can see, it's not sticky, it's not leathery, and it's soft. Huh? Alright, so you just want your dough just to come together. As you can see, like, it's not sticking to the surface anymore. So we're good now. So here, as you can see, pretty soft. It's pretty good. So let this rest and you're good to go. Hope that helps.
So we're done with that pasta dough, and I took it and I wrapped it in plastic, and I'll save it for tomorrow. But look and see how soft it is. See? Pretty soft dough. So it's only going to get better by tomorrow. We're going to make some pasta. We're going to make a quick pasta dish tomorrow, and everything's going to be great. I hope you guys like this. Like and subscribe. Let me know what else you want to see. All right, guys. Peace.